Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in this Django tutorial series. And in this video we're going to talk about how to fix our rating. So whenever we add rating, we have this feature where you can add, like more than what is the limit. The limit is 10 actually, so you can simply add like 12, as you can see it over here. But that's not the case. Our scale is from 0 to 10, and you should be able to enter 7.5 or 8.5, but not 8.6 or 8.7. So to fix that, I was looking for some of the easier way to do it, and I found a really good trick by Gleaser over here. He was using a slider range and then upgrading it over here, and we are just gonna tweak it a little bit and then use it in our project. So let's go to details, and then let's replace our rating field with this new one over here. And the first thing that we are going to change is the name. It's going to be rating. Minimum value is of course 0, maximum is 10, and we need the step of, let's say step is going to be 0.5. Okay, so that should be it for the adding portion. We say adding a new review, and let's give it a 9. There you go, it's adding it. And the problem we have is with the edit, we won't be able to add a slider in it. So instead what we can do is, let's just go to views and edit review and then check. So we'll check if data.rating, right now data.rating is a float, and we can just compare is greater than 10 or data.rating is less than 0. Okay, so it should be inside, and then we'll give it a colon over here. We'll say if these criteria are met, just go ahead and execute this code. Sorry, so that's the opposite. If it's greater, we'll just say error is out of range. Please select rating from 0 to 10, and then we'll just return render request main edit review.html, and then we'll do error, and then let's just try the form as well. Okay, so else, if that's not the case, we'll just go ahead and save it. Okay, let's see if that works. It should work by the logic. So let's go over here, and then let's try to add 16. Shouldn't do it. There you go. And let's just print out this error message in edit review.html as well. So what we can do is check if there are any error message. So we'll do if error, and we'll do endif, and then we'll give it a strong saying the error message, and let's just give it a style of color red, and then let's do it one more time. 1 2 3, save. It says out of range, please select rating from 0 to 10, and let's just try to add 10. Save changes. There you go. Let's edit this one as well. 10. Save changes. There you go. Now whenever you try to add a new rating, you won't be able to add more than 10 or less than 0. So that handles the logic of it. Just go through it. It's a very easy fix of what I did over here, and in our next video we will finally discuss about getting the aggregate rating, and I think we should be done with the website itself, and we'll be moving forward onto deployment phase. So if you have any problems, just let me know in the comment section below. If not, thanks for watching.